Hello folks and welcome. Have you ever wondered how to remove the chuck of your drill? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to do it. For this purpose, here I have two different types of drills. The first one is this cordless Parkside, and the second is this corded green tools. The Parkside has this easy lock chuck, while the green tools has this standard, I might say, old school chuck, and you need a key like this to lock the drill bit into position. Before starting, I want to clear something. I have already done this on both chucks, and in this video it might look easy, but the process is not easy at all. If your drill is old, the chuck might be stuck, might be jammed onto the shaft, and you have to apply a lot of force to unscrew it. On these drills, the chucks are attached with a standard right-handed thread to the shaft. After that, they are locked with a screw like this. This screw has a non-standard left-handed thread. Here we have the same screw. So to remove the chuck, you have to firstly remove this screw. Let's take this screwdriver and rotating to the right, here goes the screw. As you can see, there is some locking compound on the thread. In order to unscrew the chuck itself, we have to lock the shaft into stationary position. Lucky for us, this Parkside has a 2-speed gearbox, which after some revolutions of the shaft due to the design of the gearbox locks the shaft stationary. Let me show you. As you can see, it's not moving. Not moving again. Let's lock this Allen key bit into the chuck like this. After that, you need to place the drill onto something solid like a work table, and using, in my case, plumbing wrench. I will attach the plumbing wrench to the Allen key bit. Now you have to apply sharp, hard punch on the handle of the plumber's wrench, something like this. Didn't work this time. Again, hitting with a lot of force and really hard. Again, it didn't work. third try, and success. Here it is, the chuck. Let me remove the Allen bit. The same goes with this standard chuck. You have to remove the locking screw inside. Here we have a small problem. There is no gearbox in this drill, so there's nothing to lock the shaft into position. On some of the drills there are slots for spanner which goes right behind the chuck, and using that spanner you can lock the shaft. In my case I cannot implement that. As you can see, there are no slots on the shaft. So in my case I will have to use the force of the motor. Again, I will lock this Allen key. I will attach the plumber's wrench, something like this, and by using the force of the motor, voila, here goes the chuck. Again, remember, it looks easy, but both drills, as you can see, are brand new. On your drill, especially if it's old, you might have to apply a lot of force. And now I can place this metallic old school chuck on my brand new Parkside.